Here we are, just about to install the roof hooks. 2 screws in each bracket, as you can see clearly here. Here we have the rubber hook stops. We double up on the hook stops. The roof is measured out, ready for the next hooks to be installed. Here we have rails been installed for a single portrait panel. All in place, ready for the panel. All panels being connected, safely placed on the rails, levelled up, ready to be clamped down. So here we are, install completed. 2 panels on the front of the property. Bird guard has been installed. Also on the side of the property, bird guard has been installed. 5 panels on the lower part, 3 panels at the top, all in portrait. Also, we have a single panel on this panel here. Bird guard has also been installed. All completed, customer is very happy.